So now we can bring this piece up, and you'll note that I still have my little template attached to it. I run on the rim. I can bend it like this and go around the curves. Let's see how we're going to place them on the tray. And of course that's going to be another personal preference, right? Just remember you have your 30-degree angle that you have to take into consideration right there. It is amazing how the interior increases when you push the walls of it out. Remember, the diva is still very soft, so it will allow us to get the line nice and straight as good as we can. You can blow a solid piece up if it's completely secure.